how to make the refrigerator door close properly. As you see here, it closes from there good, but in the front it's gap. There is a gap about almost like a quarter of an inch all around here too. So in the back, as you see, in the back of the freezer, there are two hinges here, and they can be removed very easy. 1, 2. So we need to adjust those 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Loosen them a little bit. And this one. Now you can see it's closing. So you can see those, when I push up a little bit, they both adjustable. And what you need to do, make a little bit, like push a little bit in both like that. Take a look in the front. Okay, now you can see the gap, it's all gone. In the back, and looks good. All we need to do now is just tighten those screws